Welcome to AutoCAD 3D Beginners course. Lecture speed. This course video lecture speed is made for all level student. If you need fast lecture, you can increase video speed 1.25 or 1.5 speed. You will get better experience and you can finish course very early. AutoCAD is a commercial computer-aided design and drafting software developed and marketed by Autodesk. AutoCAD was first released in December 1982. AutoCAD, one of the most powerful design and drafting software. All the engineering professionals must to learn this software. This course will give you better training for AutoCAD 3D beginners. All the 3D tools and commands clearly explained and practically made for AutoCAD 3D beginners. Requirement: laptop or desktop with AutoCAD software, mobile, notebook, and pen. You can use laptop or desktop. If you use laptop, try to use external keyboard and mouse for better practice. Mobile for video lectures, notebook and pen for note. AutoCAD software. In this course, I used AutoCAD 2022 version and AutoCAD 2023 version. You can use 2016 to any version for this course. Section 1. AutoCAD 3D Introduction. In this section, you will get a basic idea about AutoCAD 3D. Section 2. Solid Primitive. Section 3. User Coordinate System. Section 4. Solid Modeling. Section 5. Boolean Operations. Section 6. Solid Editing. Section 7. Gizmo Tool. Section 8. Section. Section 9. Selection. Section 10. Layout for 3D drawing. Section 11. 3D practice project. Make proper schedule. Finish course 100%. Get lifelong useful knowledge. This course, all AutoCAD 3D beginners, this course will help you to improve your design and drafting knowledge in professional